Okay, welcome back. It is day 188, I believe, of coding every day. Um, I don't actually have a lot of time to record this because the leak code in real time speed I did today only took me like 3.5 minutes. Um, I did it very inefficiently, but I did it. Very, very tired from today. Today was, quite a long day. So tomorrow is my first presentation for the research. So we have like 34 slides we need to get through in 8 minutes, going over Internet of Things and networking and stuff that we learned there, and then literature review, going over some of the papers that I've read and my partner's read, and then just a timeline of what we plan to do in the future. Um, so, so yeah, gonna go over that tonight, and then in the morning present that. Then I have um, machine learning training with um, with PhD guy who's running the program. Um, then after that, we're supposed to uh, we're supposed to go to dinner and then bowling as a program. How lovely. Um, so yeah, tomorrow probably not much coding will be done. Um, yeah, but then that will be the end of first week. And so yeah, then maybe I'll work on some personal stuff over the weekend. I am going to up to Georgetown over the weekend, so I won't be here in my apartment. So I'll have to do some laptop recordings. Um, but yeah, as for my actual leak code I did today, really simple. It was called, I think, rotating an array. It was just shifting it every single given a value, you just shift the entire array right by one that many times. So all I did was I took the instance of the last element and I did an insert into the front, and then I just did a pop. Um, so I guess that time complexity to do an insert of that value, I think I think an exact lookup is O of n, right? So getting the last value, I think, maybe not, maybe it is. Sorry, O of 1 is what I meant. Maybe it is O of n though. Let's assume it's O of 1. So it's O of 1 and then insert into the first position. I would assume that it's O of, I would have assumed this is the most efficient thing, but I guess not. But yeah, it was just take the last one, put it in the front, and then remove the last one, and then just do that as many times. So pretty simple. Um, but that is all I have for today. Um, so I'll let you know tomorrow how presentation went, and I guess how bowling went, and then I will probably just do another league code because I'll probably be tired again after tomorrow. So okay, take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.